Hi, I'm Douglas Samuel, and we're taking a first look at Windows 7, specifically the taskbar. The taskbar is probably the single biggest thing that's changed that you'll notice in Windows 7. Taskbar was first introduced in Windows 95 and hasn't changed much since until now. The taskbar is probably about 30% higher, and that's to make it easier for touchscreens. Also, instead of having text-based items on the taskbar, they've been replaced by icons. So you can see that there's several icons here already on the taskbar. None of these tasks are running, and you can tell because the background is clear. You can just see the taskbar behind it. When I run something like Windows Explorer, you can see the background has now changed, and that's how you know that it's running. So even if it's minimized, you can see that it's running, and these other two are not. So I'm just going to close that for now. The reason that these three are on the taskbar is because they've been pinned to the taskbar. So if we just take Explorer, for example, you can see that it's got unpinned this program from the taskbar because it's right now pinned to the taskbar. If we were to run something like a calculator, it's now been added to the taskbar to the right as usual. That hasn't changed with the taskbar. So when we right click, we can now pin it to the taskbar. There it is, it's still running. Close it, and there it still is on the taskbar. And if we want to remove it from the taskbar, we simply unpin it. Now, I think this is perhaps a step backwards from the quick launch section that they used to have on the taskbar. This does work though. I worry that the taskbar will get a little bit too cluttered with all the tasks that you'd like to have handy, but it does work well enough. Now, something that I like is that you can actually reorder the tasks. So even one like if we run the calculator again, we can move that around, and when we close the calculator, it disappears. Open it again. Because it's not pinned, it goes to the right of all the icons on the taskbar, as opposed to a pinned application like Explorer. When we close it, it just stays put. And that's another difference between pinned and unpinned applications. Another area that's changed is the notification area, but we'll take a look at that in a separate video. So thanks for watching. This is one in a series of first looks at Windows 7. I'm Doug Samuel. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to inviting you to watch another one of my videos about Windows 7. Bye for now.